Hello friends, are you facing YouTube app not opening problem? So here is the fix. Let's go to Play Store. Please be in the video till the end so that I can show you each and every steps here. Let's tap on Play Store. Search YouTube. Now update if it is available in your phone. Either go back. Now find settings option. Phone setting is here. Tap on it. Tap on apps. Tap here. Now tap on app management. Here you can see. Now search YouTube. And now tap on force stop. Then tap on storage usage. Tap here. Click on clear cache. 1.5 MB data is here. You can clear it. Now you can see it is showing as 0. Now tap on clear data. Tap here. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So obviously you have to click on delete and then go back. After following these processes, please restart the phone. And then here you good to go. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.